This is how you use the Pico washing machine. Make sure the washing machine is connected and the power is on. Open the door and load whatever you want to wash. Close the door. Open the tray here and load your detergent. Close the tray and then select from the different programs you want. So for example, cotton. If you are washing cotton, you can see the timings, the temperature of the water, and you can click or start by pressing on play. And now the machine will start. If you want to stop, click again on pause.